CS 3351 Digital Principles and Computer Organization. Topic is von Neumann model, presented by Devi Visalaksha, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Von Neumann model. Von Neumann model proposed his computer architecture design in 1945, which was later known as von Neumann architecture. It consisted control unit, arithmetic and logical memory unit, registers and input outputs. Von Neumann architecture is based on the stored program computer concept, where instruction data and program data are stored in the same memory. This design is still used in most computers produced today. A von Neumann based computer uses a single processor, uses one memory for both instructions and data, execute programs following the execute fetch executor cycle. This is the structure of von Neumann computer. So first here it's having the input device as well as output device in central processing unit. The central processing unit having control unit, arithmetic logical unit and registers. Here it's having the memory unit also. Components of von Neumann model. Central processing unit, buses, memory unit. Central processing unit, the part of the computer that performs the bulk of data processing operation, is called the central processing unit and is referred to as the CPU. The central processing unit can also be defined as an electric circuit responsible for executing the instruction of a computer program. The CPU performs a variety of functions dictated by the type of instructions that are incorporated in the computer. The major components of CPU are arithmetic logic unit, control unit and variety of registers. Arithmetic and logic unit. The logic unit performs the required micro operations for executing the instructions. In simple words, ALU allows arithmetic, that is addition, subtraction, etc. and logical units and or not, etc. operations to be carried out. Control unit. The control unit of a computer system controls the operations of components like ALU, memory and input-output devices. The control unit consists of a program counter that contains the address of the instructions and to be fetched and instructions register into the computer, which instructions are fetched from memory for execution. Registers. Registers refer to high-speed storage areas in the CPU. The data processed by the CPU are fetched from the registers. Buses. Buses are the means by which information is shared between the registers in a multiple register configuration system. A bus structure consists of a set of common lines, one for each bit of a register, through which binary information is transferred one at a time. Control signals determine which register is selected by the bus during each particular register transfer. Von Neumann architecture comprised of three major bus systems for data transfer. Computer system bus functions. So here we are going to see about the types of functions as well as bus functions. So first we can see the bus type. Internal buses, external buses, data bus, address bus, control bus, system bus, expansion bus and input output bus. So first we can see the function of internal buses. So internal buses, to convert the internal components of a computer system such as processor, RAM, chipset, hard disk. External buses, to connect the external components with computer systems such as monitor, keyboard and printer. Data bus, to connect the CPU with main memory, RAM and other components connected to computer system. Address bus, to connect the CPU with main memory, RAM, games memory address for read-write operations. Control bus, to connect the CPU with main memory, RAM and other components connected to computer system, games control signals for components. System bus to connect the CPU with main memory, RAM and other component. System bus is also referred as FSB, front side bus or memory bus. It consists of data, address and control buses together. Expansion bus to connect the CPU with PCI or PCI Express slots where add-on cards such as graphics card, sound card can be installed to enhance system performance. Input-output bus to connect the CPU with main memory, RAM and input-output devices through South Bridge. Memory unit. A memory unit is a collection of storage cells together with associated circuits needed to transfer information in and out of the storage. The memory stores binary information in groups, bits or called words. The internal structure of a memory unit is specified the number of words it contains and the number of bits is each word. Two major types of memories are used in computer systems, RAM and ROM. Memory is the most essential element of a computer system because without computer it can't perform simple tasks. Computer memory is of two basic types, primary memory and secondary memory. Random access memory is primary volatile memory and read-only memory is primary non-volatile memory. So this is the classification of computer memory. Types of memories are RAM as well as ROM. The RAM is classified into SRAM as well as DRAM, that is static random access memory and dynamic random access memory. ROM, first one is PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. So PROM is programmable read-only memory. Next one is electrically programmable read-only memory. Next one is the electrically erased programmable read-only memory.